those that were in place before they were converted to agriculture, they were characterized primarily by being dominated by perennial plant species and growing within a certain range of diversity. So, for example, North America's native plant species, are about 85% of them are perennials. So very dominated by perennials and growing at usually much higher levels of diversity than our agricultural systems. But I just want to take you through this perennial grassland here in Kansas and consider it perhaps as a model system to which we can compare to the annual cropping systems there in Kansas and think about those ecological processes. Now, prior to agriculture, prior to the settlement by Europeans in the late 1800s, pretty much all of Kansas was in this very nice, lush, green perennial grass. We call it the tall grass prairie. Of course, a lot of Swedes and others. We actually have quite a Swedish population in Kansas. They very quickly converted nearly all of that grassland to agriculture within 50 or 75 years. It was quite a fast conversion. Fortunately for me, with great interest in grasslands, several of us identified some remnant prairie meadows on these nice agricultural landscapes that had been preserved over the years. Now, they were preserved, though, not untouched, but harvested every year by the farmers. The grass is mowed, and then they bale it up, and they remove that for cattle feed. On these small remnant plots, they typically don't grade them. They're too small to fence in and provide water. So we can get a good idea of the amount of nutrients coming off. The farmers aren't putting any nutrients on. It's not valuable enough of a crop to add fertilizer to or anything. They're simply going in, mowing, baling, and removing. We do get some